How to unprotect sheet Google Sheets. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can protect or unprotect sheet using Google Sheets. So without any delay, let us just jump right into this video and see how to do that. For that, go ahead and open up a Google Sheet and wherever your data is. After that, in order to protect that sheet, the next method you need to apply is at the bottom you can find the Sheet tab. Just go ahead and select the sheet that you want to protect. And when you click on it, this drop down, you can find this option. Go ahead and locate protect sheet. And when you click on it, you'll be finding this on your screen. So in that protected sheet, you can enter up a description like your sheet name or a different description you want to keep. Otherwise, you can directly set permissions as well by seeing the sheet and your accept the certain cells. There are different options available here. You can just go ahead and locate it. And after that, range up your editing permissions and set it up. So here is only you option. Since we are making it private, protected, you can make it only you only. And after that, save up the settings. And after that, you can only access that protected sheet. Again, if you want to unprotect it or make any changes, you can again head over to that drop down and go to that protected sheet and click on it to again change up the settings. Once it is protected, in order to unprotect it, you can just click on it and again change the permissions and make the only you to everyone. Otherwise, you can also customize it by giving access to only certain people. And after that is done, click on done, and that is how you unprotect sheet from Google Sheets. So that is how you do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.